The secrets behind Snowy Road. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the picturesque world of the English phrase, snowy road. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it in your conversations. First, let's look at the two words individually. 1. Snowy. This adjective comes from the noun, snow. Snow is the soft, white pieces of frozen water that fall from the sky in cold weather. When we add y to snow, it means covered in or having a lot of snow. 2. Road. A road is a long, hard surface built for vehicles to travel on. So, when we combine them, snowy road describes a road that is covered with snow. The phrase, snowy road, often conjures up images of winter landscapes, where the roads are blanketed by snow, creating a white and serene atmosphere. This can be both beautiful and treacherous. 1. Beauty. A snowy road can be part of a peaceful winter scene, where everything is quiet and calm, like in a holiday postcard. 2. Caution. On the flip side, a snowy road can be slippery and dangerous for drivers. When you hear someone talking about a snowy road, they might be warning about driving conditions. 1. Be careful when driving. The snowy road can be very slippery. 2. The snowy road leading up to the cabin was like a scene from a Christmas card. 3. We decided to stay in tonight because of the snowy roads. There you have it. The phrase, snowy road, not only describes a road covered with snow but can also evoke feelings of winter wonder or cautionary tales about driving conditions. We hope this explainer has shed light on this charming phrase. Stay safe, especially if you're traveling on a snowy road, and happy learning!